I hope you are fine. Usually we don't brush in a proper way, like modified bath technique is ideal technique of brushing the teeth and removing the dental plaque from the teeth surfaces. But we do brush in wrong way like this in horizontal direction with hard brush that ultimate results in inadequate cleaning of the teeth and gum recession. So what we need when there is tartar or calculus hard deposit on teeth surfaces, we usually go to dentist for scaling, root planing, polishing, but repeated cycle ultimately lead to gum irritation, burning in the gums. So recent research focus on certain chemical ways to dissolve tartar from the teeth surfaces. There are randomized clinical trials of 40 days in which they use a special enzyme tartarase to remove the tartar from the surface of the teeth, and this is very successful research and proven research which ultimately results in chemical dissolution of the tartar from the tooth surfaces without any scaling or root planing. So, first way of removing dental tartar from tooth surfaces at home is enzymes added in the toothpaste tartar and the name of the enzyme is tartarase. Second way of removing dental tartar from the tooth surfaces, aragonite toothpaste. Aragonite is derived from cuttle bone. Cuttle bone derivatives are very good in cleaning the teeth surfaces and are abrasives to remove dental tartar from the tooth surfaces. And third way is very important and very basic, stoppage or prevention of tartar formation. The base of tartar is dental plaque, which is a soft, sticky layer of microbes on the tooth surfaces. Then ultimate addition of calcium phosphate on the dental plaque lead to tartar or calculus. So, American Dental Association advised to use toothpaste containing baking soda that remove adequately dental plaque, which ultimately results in prevention of tartar formation on the tooth surfaces. And last, very important, whenever you go to market to buy a toothpaste to prevent tartar or calculus, always read the ingredients in it. Two ingredients prevent you from tartar formation. One is zinc and second is pyrophosphate. These two ingredients inhibit tartar formation, maturation of tartar or crystallization of tartar. So these four ways can prevent you or can remove tartar from the tooth surfaces, especially the number one enzyme based tartarase enzyme. You can check it in the PubMed research section, the randomized control trial of tartarase in removal of tartar. So, hopefully, these remedies are fruitful to you. If any question related to this, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.